Guys, today I will show you how to install the add-ons directly on Stremio. So open Stremio on your desktop and head over to the board and then select add-ons. And just here you have the selected add-ons are the installed ones and all the type of add-ons. But if you want to add an add-on, just click on Add Add-on and paste your add-on URL after you get it from Google. And you can also search here for add-ons, so you can also click on Community Addons and search the add-ons that suits your needs for the new community. There is a merch ++, there are new, etc. So we have these, all the community add-ons. You can sell them directly on Stremio without needing the URL. And you can also click on official add-ons to see the official add-ons that Stremio offers by default. So we have YouTube at shop, etc. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.